Yo, kwaze kwa-tense, kwaze kwa-rough guys yini emendweni kunzima kanje. Ayi cha sana ngeke mina nginaso lesibindi shame. Anginaso. But ke sana, we have to talk about this episode ngoba nje I was just so heartbroken shame Mayeni. Uzidlalile shame. I feel like uzidlalile kakhulu. Her first mistake nje was giving this guy a chance ukuthi a-break inhliziyo yakhe futhi. And I'm just curious ukuthi why nje kuzoba njani ngesikhathi ebuya ezoba number 2. Yo guys, because right now usisi wethu bakithi uyazihlaza left, right and center. It's like, what is the point of this meeting ke sana ngoba uqinisile Mayeni. If this was about ukutshela uMacele ukuthi usengenile number 5, then why ngabanga i-meeting between yena noMacele? Why be involve wonke umuntu ekubeni futhi masememele bebuza imibuzo? He refuses to answer. The second point that I want to make is that uMayeni uthe akazingeni indaba za number 5 uyazikhipha ne, but now why njalo makumele khulume ngo number 5 she feels the need to ask ukuthi mabani wakephi? Like girl, like uthe onendaba, but it seems like you care too much. I honestly feel like he should have just paid for ilobola for number 5, then mesebenza meeting yakhe noMacele introduce ku number 5, then ke sana after that enze le meeting abiza amakhosikazi and then introduce number 5. Ozayo uyeza uyombona, ongezi hayi uyosala kanjalo. Like that would have been my ideal situation ukuthi okay, ofunile ukumbona uzombona ngaleso sikhathi. If awufuni then you can't ask any questions after that, yabo. Mina nje ayingibe yabo nje in that situation, in that moment I really felt like wenze kahle uMacele ukumtshela ukuthi ungambuzi uzobuzwa yimina mase nginaye sihlezi soba 2 ngoba wamtshela ukuthi akakhulume naye mase kukhona umlobolile. Uqinisile uMayeni akayena umamkhulu bakithi. She must stop asking nje iMaceleni ukuthi ubani wakabani because uqala nje uyikhiphile konke leyo nto. So nje she has no rights ngempela. Akahlale mayehlala, but if she stays, mina ngima lapho, if she stays then she needs to accept ukuthi i-situation yakhe inje. She needs to forgive and just accept ukuthi iyona mpilo ayiphilayo le ngoba it doesn't seem like ngempela ufuna ukuhamba. Like okay, kwamanje vele she's angry kodwa nje she's staying guys. You all know ukuthi she akayindawo. And then another point is when it comes to uMacele, komunye umhlaba bengizomusho naye because I do feel like she can be really mean singekho isidingo just because umamkhulu yazi she has this power yabo nje ukube nje mina ngivumanga ngaba nonke nikho la, that kind of energy. But in this world I do understand her, you know, like she doesn't have a life outside of umshado wakhe. To be honest, naye futhi uMsele has said before ukuthi akasebenzi and stuff. All she has is 20 years wakhe guys. Like angifuni simdinele when she holds it so yabo nje so dear. So if she allows inkinga ukuthi zimbuse zimkhiphe kumshado wakhe zimkhiphe kwakhe, ikephi la ayophinde abe umamkhulu khona la azofika shaya isicathulo sakhe yabo nje kulalele yena and start a new life. Angimboni eqala phansi, you know, getting married to someone else yabo nje. Maybe uMayeni yena can still go and start a new life asazi. Ubangwabeke noMakheyi ke vele ke bona they can definitely leave this man and go to marry other men and start new lives. Bona ke nje vele ngasho ukuthi mhlawumbe bona ke they have a reason ukuthi to leave yabo. But uMacele I don't see it for her shame. Ngembona nje mina ebomamkhulu la kwaMseleku and just living impilo yakhe. So mina ngingacela nje ukuthi guys simyekeni ngempela awulwele umshado wakhe, asimyeke azenzise ngathi uhappy ngalo number 5, even though sonke siyabona ukuthi ayekho happy. Sonke nje siyabona ukuthi yamdina yonke lento le. We can all see ukuthi uMseleku wenza engathi uyamhlonipha kanti akamhloniphi futhi akamboni nokuthi ubani. Yabo, He is using her to further his own selfish interests. Once wangena nje lo number 5, he'll be back to talking about ukuthi obani amafurniture, oba abahlobisile nje bawomamkhulu ngamagama nje. You know, like that kind of talk nje ebhedayo. You can tell nje ukuthi okay, kuhlalisene lana, it's not love. Mhlambe yena ihlukile indlela define ngalo uthando, but you don't speak to abantu bathanda with the way yena aspeaka ngawo amakhosikazi akhe. The only person engazengezwa ekhuluma kabi ngaye is uMakheli. Angaze ngizwe ke ekhuluma nje bad about her, but nje the rest nje bangithi ikho nje nami, if I were in the issues I would just keep quiet nje ngaloku ngikhomenta kakhulu. Did you guys notice how he noticed his silence kaMangwabi? She didn't say anything, but her silence spoke volumes. And when I noticed a lot of things, ngoba uthule kanje ungangishiyi, you know, like I was like cause it says a lot. She's damned if ekhuluma, she's damned if ethule, like ufuna ukuthi enze njani ngoba ukube she spoke up futhi bekuzothiwa vele uyadelela, mayethula futhi elalela uthule futhi, like bafuna enze njani uMangwabi. I think she understands manje position yakhe. Mina nje kodwa le yokuthi uyahamba, I'm still waiting for it, you know. But nje when it comes to them bakithi nje, I absolutely loved the way they conducted themselves benoMakhumalo. I loved it. If bebe Paula guys ngale ndlela bephawula ngayo uMayeni, guaranteed uMacele bezogxuma hlale kubona like she did with uMayeni. So I'm glad nje ukuthi they kept quiet ngoba vele it has been made known ukuthi when it comes to our wives azofakwa, they have no business asking any questions. So bayisizile nje bathula. Since apparently uyena kuphela uMacele allowed ukubuza imibuzo and also make harsh statements that no one can respond to, mele kutholakale nje mase khulume uMacele waqeda. But ke sana, that was very interesting with me nje, the fact that ukuthi she was quiet uMangwabi, just observing, and then uMusa was like ungangishiyi, kodwa phinde futhi ayiphikise athi bahambayo sosala siyincenge. It doesn't make sense ukuthi shithi nje vele le ndoda ayizazi ukuthi ifunani.